Hello everyone, today's menu will be Chinese 5-spice chicken quarters. This is a simple Asian dish that you can make over and over. So if you're ready, let's get baking. In a small bowl, I have some olive oil and I'm going to add in the garlic powder, dry parsley, Chinese 5-spice, black pepper, Asian chili powder, and some salt. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. And then I'm going to add in the oyster sauce. Give it another mix to combine well. The paste should be more on the thicker side. Here I have 4 quarter legs and I'm going to add in half of the paste mixture and rub it in good. Make sure to do the inside of the skin too. And then flip it to the other side and do the same. Use up all of the paste mixture because that's what gives the chicken so much flavors. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. With the baking sheet lined with foil or parchment, or both, place the chicken flat and bake for 45 to 50 minutes, turning halfway to cook the other side. Here is the end results of the Chinese 5-spice chicken quarters. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!